Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 1,000 rupees per month. You'll get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. This video is only for education learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. Let's go to the prediction for today. The data is showing no warning signal, but all four indications are bearish. So whenever we get all four indications are bearish means the pre-opening must have to be in the negative at least even 1 point, then only it is supporting. Otherwise, if pre-opening is in the positive 1 points, then it still has potential to close in the positive in spite of all four bearish indicators. But still Nifty has potential to end up with bullish. We have saw so many times all four indications are one side, but Nifty is ended up in the opposite direction, so which means the Nifty's all four indications are bearish, so pre-opening must have to be in the negative to go bearish. If pre-opening is even 1 point positive, it might up with 100 points or even more than that in the positive. Still chances. So don't take lightly all indications are bearish, so that Nifty will go only bearish like that. So play safe today if pre-opening is in the positive means. And yesterday one positive side new target also opened, which is 18,024.05. So this new positive side target will give us headache. At the same time, one new negative side target is also open, which is 17,813. So Nifty might struggle in between these two levels, which side it is going. But we have so many time, so many negative side target for weekly in hand. But this one positive side target will give us some headache. So what kind of a method we need to do is that we have to play only with hero zero kind of thing or hedging method, because of Nifty as both side chances means it is definitely going to give us a headache, because if we trade for the bullish, Nifty will go towards the bearish. If we trade for the bearish, Nifty will go towards the bullish. So this kind of scenarios we have saw so many times whenever we get both side targets, which means how we need to trade. We have to trade much more cautiously than the other days. So where the pre-opening is going to be, according to that we can play. The volatile one, which is 0.01%, 1.78, 17,846, anything above this particular level, if it is trading, Nifty is in the bullish zone. So Nifty might go towards to positive average, which is in good numbers as well, 142.17,987. So if pre-opening is in the positive means Nifty still has potential to go bullish. In spite of all four indication or bearish, but still Nifty will go towards the bullish if it is in this above zone. And anything below the volatile to anything 87 points below or 0.49%, 17,757, then only Nifty is in control of the bearish. Anything in between, it is in the volatile zone. But as per the pivot level, we knew that anything below the pivot level, Nifty will in control of the downside. It always try to go down. Anything above the pivot level, Nifty will always try to go up. So play safe, because this day is going to give us some kind of a headache. And the volatile stop loss, this particular level plus 10 point, if it is not breaking, then Nifty has potential to fall down from this level. Plus 10 points is the volatile stop loss for the bearish. Volatile stop loss for the bullish is this particular level minus 10 points. If Nifty is not able to break this level minus 10 points, then Nifty has potential to recover as well. So this is the volatile stop loss for the bullish. So these are all the basic rules which we need to follow. but the positive average 142 points and negative average 171 points. Both together we have 310 points. So which means still wide range on both directions. So better go with the hedging method today as well. In spite of these all four indications does not indicates that the Nifty is in control of the basis, but there is a potential to go bearish only. It is saying there is no 100% conclusion because of the pre-opening is not supporting, because the pre-opening is in the flattest kind of 2 points indicates that Nifty still has potential to go decent number towards to 142, and we have one positive side new target also in hand, which means these are all the warning signals to play safe. So how we need to trade on these kind of days? You need to play only with hero zero if you are a single side trader. For example, if you are a bearish trader, small hero zero for a week is advisable, even 10 points like that, because if it is goes zero, it is fine. Or you are a big trader and you are taking some chances and 100 points if you are buying. But this point is also you need to take it as a hero zero if you are trading bearish, because what happens is 5k you are investing, you think that market will go down, but unexpectedly it will ended up in this week around 18,000 range and stays there itself and make this particular put option to go zero. So you will think that you may get from 100 to 300 points, but it is a chances of 50-50 percentage scenario, so it is not going to happen as you expect. So it has potential to go zero as well. So you need to play it like zero. If it is goes to 300 and 400 as per your expectation, then it is well and good. But you need to know that it has potential to go zero as well. So if you know what you're going to do, then play according to your risk appetite. Because if you don't know it is not it is going to zero, then you will lose money and you will make big losses. So play safe with what you are doing if you're a single side trader, because it is not advisable to go single. But if you're going single side for a bearish trader, you need to take it as a hero zero method, hero or zero method, hero or zero method only you need to take. And the positive side trader also you need to play much more cautiously due to the premiums might erode, because we have target around positive side 80,024 level. But this target, how it will how what kind of a reaction it will take every now and then. Nifty is goes up means that is chances to erode the put option. At the same time, the premium might not go as expecting in the call option. So it will go from 80 points. For example, I'm saying 80 points, you will expect that it will go 80 to 160, but instead of going towards to like double the money, it will go from 80 to 100 or 110. Then soon it will come down from 110 to 80 or 70 or 60. If it is fall down even 20-30 points in a shorter period of time. So you need to play much more cautiously on these kind of days, and the next 3 days are till F&O closing. You will survive. Otherwise, in these kind of markets, easily eat your money. And as per this kind of days, if you're buying and booking 30 to 33% profit, it is always advisable irrespective of any direction. For example, you're taking chances on the bullish side, if you are taking chances on the bearish side, whatever side, if you get these 30 to 33% profit, for example 10 points you are buying and it is goes 13 points also, if you are booking, that is well and good. Like the same 100 points you 100 points you're buying and it is goes to 133 or 130, you need to book profit. Otherwise, this profit will erode easily from 130 to 70 or even below like that. So that kind of a day is what we are going to face today. So my advice to my client is to play much more cautiously on this particular day. And what are the other data which shows that anything above the par value, if Nifty will try to go towards to positive direction, 18 is not 4. And the other data which shows anything above 17,778, Nifty will try to go up in the decent number. It is not a big number on the positive side, still has potential to go 118. And anything below 17,711, then only Nifty is in control of the bearish. So play safe today. Edging method, if you're going means as earlier I told in the previous videos, 100 points both sides once again is vital to bet on this type of days. And wait, even 120 is also might not give you the right chances to get exit, but 100 points both directions. And wait, soon if you realize the profit 1000 both together, because if this one goes to 150 and this one goes to below somewhere around uh, how you call 70 points, so which means here you are having 50 points profit, you are having 30-point loss. Both together if you add, you are ending up with 1000 rupees profit. So 20 points profit is running that time. Both options, call options as well as put options, both together you need to exit. This method will give you a hedging method as a safe trade, because we may not know whether it is going to keep the low here and go towards to bullish 142, or whether it is going to keep the high here and fall down towards to 171. So we may not know at this point of time, because these kind of days we have saw so many struggle to make profit. But yesterday it is a good day because it has given us some decent profits. We entered these two 17,950 put option and 18,000 put option around morning itself, 10:28, and it has given us a very good profit around 4,000 to 5,000 range. And 18,000 we booked around 4,000 above, and 2,500 minimum on 17,950 put option. So, and combination also it has given around 2,000, and minimum range we asked to exit around 1,000 points. So you need to play it safe, and as per data how it is showing, according to that you need to book profit. And this is the day you need to play much more cautiously than other days. It is not going to be easy when we have new both set targets opened yesterday itself, and remaining weekly downside targets also in hand. So it is going to be a tough day to trade. So hero zero is advisable. Edging method is much more advisable to play safe today. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Tuesday. Thank you.